There is no single food that will boost the immune system. One should include foods that contain vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, and the minerals zinc, potassium, selenium, and iron in the diet to keep all organs of the body. Here are 15 powerful immune boosting foods. Citrus fruits such as lemons, limes, grapefruits, oranges, and tangerines are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C fights infection, cold, and flu, and also improves heart and digestive health. Ensure that you take it daily as your body does not store it or produce it. Strawberries contain vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and folate, which are good for heart health and blood sugar control. Blueberries are high in antioxidants, potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. These are excellent for healthy heart and the prevention of aging and cancer. It also improves the respiratory tract's immune defense system. They may also lower blood pressure. Papaya is a source of vitamin B and C, fiber, folate, antioxidants, and beta carotene. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Papaya can control cholesterol as well as diabetes. Red capsicums are a rich source of beta carotene, vitamin A, C, and B6, folate, fiber, potassium, iron, and magnesium. They are good for eyesight and may prevent cancer and control high blood pressure. Broccoli contains antioxidants, vitamin C and K, beta carotene, folate, potassium, and fiber. It fights cancer and improves skin health. Spinach contains antioxidants, beta carotene, and vitamins A, C, E, K, and B12, and also magnesium and iron, which support our immune systems. It prevents cancer and asthma, reduces blood pressure. Spinach is good for skin, hair, and bone health. Tomatoes are high in antioxidants, beta carotene, vitamin C and K, potassium, and folate. They are anti-cancerous and good for heart and skin health. Apples are rich source of antioxidants, phytonutrients, fiber, vitamin C, etc. These are good for healthy heart, may prevent cancer, diabetes, and help fight asthma. Carrots are high in antioxidants, beta carotene, vitamin A, C, and K, potassium, and fiber, which improve vision, prevent night blindness, and reduce the risk of cancer. Bananas are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, and fibers, which ensures a healthy heart and blood pressure, and also good for skin. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties which may reduce risk of cancer, diabetes, osteoarthritis, muscle pain, and soreness. Ginger relieves common cold and nausea. Garlic contains allicins, vitamin C, B1, B6, manganese, selenium, iron, potassium, and phosphorus, due to which garlic has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-tumor and immune boosting properties. It regulates blood sugar level, reduces cholesterol and blood pressure, and improves heart and bone health. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has antioxidant, anti-inflammation properties. Consuming turmeric may prevent Alzheimer's disease and cancer and slow aging process. Mushrooms are rich in immune-enhancing compounds like antioxidants, vitamin B and D, selenium, potassium, copper, and fiber, which help boost immune function, fight cancer, boost longevity, prevent respiratory infections, and make bones stronger.
Please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to know when a new video is uploaded. Also please like and share the video.